friends, I'm Pratik. You're watching Story Studio Loaded. Today I'm going to show you how to make sun clock and the live timing on the sun clock to you. So let's get into the video. Take an empty pot, fill it with sand or mud. Take a sheet of hard paper, take a straight stick, stick the paper on the pot, make a hole in the center of the circled sheet, keep the stick straight inside the center hole. Now keep a track on the sun shadow falling on the stick and make lines from the center using scale. Isn't this easy? Come, let's track the time. Oh yes, now I can see a faded sun rising. Wow, this looks beautiful. Today I have woke up early to keep a track of sun. Finally it has arrived, guys. The birds are chirping. Can you hear them? Since the sun is not that bright, you can't see a dark shadow. Here you can see a light shadow falling on the first line, which is 7 a.m. Now it's 8 in the morning. I have marked the timing now. Can you see the shadow falling on 8? This sundial works. It's nearly 9. I have come to the terrace to capture the sun. The sun looks brighter than before. It's a bright blue sky. Birds are chirping, vehicles are moving. Today the sun looks brighter. Hooray! It's 9! Now it's 10. Can you see the time on the mobile? Isn't it 10? Oh my god, it's becoming hotter and hotter. It's 11 now. It is the hottest time of the day. The sun is right above my head. It's sharp 12 in the clock. Look at the brightest sun of the day. It's just like a pearl. Now I have come to the terrace for the 1 o'clock capture. Oh my god, this is also very hot. It is sharp 1 p.m. Can you see the time on the phone? It's 2 on the clock now. Oh wow, here is something new. Can you see a trail in the sky near the sun? I think a jet just passed. So it's 2 in the clock now. Now I'm again showing you the trail clearly. Can you see it? It's an amazing capture. It's 3 p.m. now. Wow, the sun is hiding behind the cloud. Can you see 3 p.m. shadow? Now I'm going to capture the 4 p.m. shadow. It's 4 in the clock. Here is 4 p.m. shadow. It's almost evening and the sun is vanishing. It's a beautiful evening. This is the last capture of the day. The 5 p.m. shadow is very light because of the sun. Can you see the 5 p.m. shadow here? This is the next day morning. I have just come for a walk in my terrace. I again see the beautiful trail. It's 7 a.m. and the sun has come. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So bye friends.